Microsoft Excel is getting smarter with AI. Now, which tool is really going to help you work faster? Is it DeepSeek, ChatGPT, or Copilot? We're going to put 3 powerful Excel tasks to the test and see which one comes on top. Is DeepSeek the new winner? Is ChatGPT the ultimate one that you need to use? Or does Copilot really have a place in Excel? Let's jump in and put these to the test. Challenge 1: Advanced Data Analysis. Let's start by opening up the browser with our 3 AI tools, DeepSeek, ChatGPT, as well as Microsoft Copilot. Now, the first challenge we're going to give this is to analyze our sales data right here, and let's see what each tool comes back with. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to type in generate insights into with this Excel data. Now we attach the file over here in DeepSeek, and once we do that, it just takes a few moments for it to analyze the data. Here we go. We have a very comprehensive output, a revenue by product, units sold, and we have a unit revenue per unit, sales trends over time, as well as category performance and potential areas of improvement which we haven't asked for. Let's move on to ChatGPT. Now let's type in the same prompt, generate insights with this Excel data. Once we attach the file, you can see you can upload it also from other sources, but once you've typed it in, and let's get it to analyze it and see how long it takes. Now it's analyzing it, it takes the data and tries to put it in a table format. Once it's analyzed, taking a little bit longer than DeepSeek. Now, once you type it in, you see that you get a very short way of doing it, and it asks you if you want to analyze further. Now, once we analyze a little bit further, you can see what's happening over here. It takes a little bit more time, but it comes up with nice tabular formats and some graphs that can help you with visualizations. Now we can continue and we can analyze further. So with ChatGPT, you can continue and you can really have something a little bit more tailored, either shorter or even longer. Now let's test this out in Copilot. This is the web browser version of Copilot and it is the free version. So once we are actually going to attach our Excel sheet, it does not allow us to do it. So the file type, we need a different file type. Now the biggest thing here is that we do have to get a Copilot Pro subscription. At the current moment, it is getting rolled out into your regular subscriptions. However, right now, if you do get your Copilot subscription, it then appears within your Excel sheets or any of your Microsoft tools, and now it can analyze the data. So let's go and type in some prompts here. And once we go through it, it could be a little bit more useful, especially if you're getting it into your tools of Excel, and that way it prompts you to look at different variables. However, it does give you a little bit less flexibility and doesn't analyze your data in full. It gives you small prompts so that you can look at the ranges and you can analyze it step by step. Maybe this works for you, maybe it doesn't. Now, let's go over to our challenge 2, formula and automation. This is what we need. We have our data here and we want to add the total revenue as a formula. Let's type this into DeepSeek and see what happens. We want a weighted average formula for discounts. And we want the total revenue to be summed up in this column. So let's go type it in. Let's attach our Excel sheet. And once we've attached our Excel sheet, let's see what it does. Now, once we've typed it in, what DeepSeek does analyzes the data and it does give you the weighted average discount formulas. So a lot of these are really helping you to see how the formula works as well, rather than just dishing out the sheet so that you don't know what's happening. Here we go. So it goes through each single thing and it gives you kind of what it's thinking about rather than giving you full output. So the output here is this is the formula and I want to download the sheet. Will it give it to me? Unfortunately, it does not download it. It does help you, however, take the formulas and add it to your sheet so that you have at least the formula to be able to analyze it and add it to your sheet. Let's try the same thing in ChatGPT. Now, once we've taken our file and added it, let's see what happens right here in ChatGPT. And it's still analyzing it. And what it does is it should throw out our formulas over here. And then you go, it does give you similar format to DeepSeek, does help you to see how the formulas are created. And now the most important thing for me is that I want the Excel sheet to download. Does this work for us? Let's see what happens over here. It analyzes, takes a little bit more time over here, and once it's done, you can download the file right here, which really is really a godsend, especially that you don't want to type in formulas, and it gives you the actual formulas right there. Now, the other thing we're going to do, let's try this in Copilot. Now, we're going to give it a test run and see what happens over here. The weighted average. Now, it does really help you to give the formulas. So there is a little bit more help than analyzing it. But once we go into Copilot, within our Excel sheet, we can simply just take it and ask it the same questions over here. And once it does that, let's see what it does. So still understanding our data. And for me, this takes a little bit longer because it is connected to the internet. You have to have an internet connection for this to work. And if you go through it, you can have a look and you can see that it actually adds the formula, which is not bad. So for this one, I definitely rate Copilot for adding formulas within your Excel sheets. Moving on to challenge 3, automating Excel tasks. Now we have this sheet with some messy data over here. What we're going to do is we are going to ask DeepSeek how to clean up this data, and we want this data to be in proper case as well as having the correct spacings between the text. Once we add the file, let's see what happens. It analyzes the data, and with DeepSeek, it lets us look at what it's thinking about. So to clean the data, this is what it's showing us, and it's telling us to add it into different formats over here. And once the clean data is, that's how it looks. So you can simply just copy and paste this into your sheet if that helps you, as well as it does give us the formulas to actually do this with. Now, the final outputs there, will it be able to download an Excel sheet for us? Let's check it. Now, this actually took more than 30 seconds and threw out a server is busy error. Let's move on to ChatGPT and let's see what this can do for us. Once again, we are going to ask it to clean the messy data for us. Now, once we've added the messy data here, let's see, it can analyze it and see what it throws out. Now, once again, takes a little bit of time just to analyze the data here. Once it's analyzed it, it should give us some form of cleaned data. There you go. Once again, you can simply download it with the icon on the top there as a sheet, if you see that, and it's cleaned through it. So it actually knows that I like downloadable sheets. Now I can do that, or yes, it just goes through a few more errors over here, goes through statuses, and you have the Excel sheet to download, which is really super. So this is really a feature in ChatGPT that I really like. Let's move on to Copilot and see what happens. Now, once again, we're just going to go straight into our Excel sheet and we're going to type everything in over here to see if it can help us. Once it's cleaned up the data, let's see what it's doing. It once again takes a little bit more time than I would like it to do, especially when it's built into the actual Microsoft Excel program. It should really look at the data and help it to get faster. Now, it gives you a few more options and it does allow you to have formatting. So once it's understanding the data, it does apply this and it does allow you to be a little bit more flexible, especially if you want to add a little bit more formatting. Let's see what happens here. Once we've applied the changes to the data, it should take it and it does conditional format it for us. So there are advantages in all of the different types of AI and it does different things for me. Now, all the 3 AI tools really have some differences. DeepSeek is really comprehensive, especially if you want to be lazy and you just add in a file, ask it to analyze it. It does help you, but it doesn't allow you to download files. ChatGPT, however, is much more comprehensive, allows you to copy-paste tables and take them directly into your Excel sheets, as well as helping you with the Excel download sheets. Copilot for me has still some way to go. However, Because it's directly into your Excel and your Microsoft tools, it allows you to do things like conditional formatting and helps you to use a few more functionalities like tables as well. So really it's up to you, and depending on what you want to achieve with AI, that's the right tool for you to use. I hope that you found this video useful, and I would love to see you in our next lessons. See you, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and happy learning.